Hey y'all, Chuck here at Page in Tapanom, Thailand. Hey, today is, I know I'm fat. I have my vacation physique still.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
Yeah, that's thunder. So today is Sunday Fun Day. We just got back from Mukdahan. We went and bought the kids a bunch of stuff.
Check 1 2 3 4 5 เช็ค 1 2 3 4 5เช็ค
เบิ่งแหละไม่ใครจะกินน้อยดอกหมูยอแล้วก็ไม่ได้แกงเนยสดพิเศษ28ได้มันเป็นช่องหางบ่อยากก็ได้เอาลายนี่อ่ะเป็นรอยรถมุกี้มาเอาอะไรจับจับค่ะลูกโอเค
พอดี
ดีสวยโอเค
Wednesday, we are going to go to the school and distribute all the stuff that we got for the kids from the donations that you awesome people sent us. If you didn't catch that video a while back, we often give to the local schools here, but there's one school in particular where the kids, there's a lot of little public schools around here, but this one is very poor. So we get some money together and we usually buy them, you know, like snacks and stuff like that. But this time I wanted to do something before the school year, but the teacher wanted to wait until school started and get some inventory together. So she did, and we gathered some money together, and today we went and bought a bunch of stuff. So we still had money left over, so I said, no, we got to get more stuff. She goes, no, just wait till next time. I was like, no, let's just figure something else out. So we ordered a bunch of, we ordered somebody to come in and cater some food and the ice cream cart to come give everybody. There's about 160 students from little tiny, all the way up to teenagers. So anyway, they're very poor kids there, so we bought some clothes. Anyway, I'll show you guys Wednesday on that video. And I went and picked up my bike from the shop. He got it fixed for me. I broke the little pin trying to change the tube. So I got some really good tires for it. And I got one, I always get a flat tire in the back. So I bought I only got one because I had it shipped here. And if it was just a little bit more money, I would have had to pay if it's over $40, you have to pay customs tax when stuff gets delivered here. So anyway, I got my old tires, which are still pretty new. And yeah, I'm ready to ride my bike. Tomorrow I might, depending on the weather, it's been raining late in the afternoon, so tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to Nakhon Phanom. I've been invited to go view a family tradition where the son becomes a monk. In Thai tradition, the male almost all the time has to become a monk at least once in his life for a short period of time. So I've been to one before and I find it really interesting. So they've invited me to come and they said I can video from the beginning all the way to the end. I'll try to make it as entertaining as possible, but to see Thai culture I think is really important, and I think it'll be fun. I'm sure it'll be fun. little occasion in Thailand has been fun. Even funerals, they seem to figure out a way to make fun of everything. So I'm gonna take the ladies to Udon Thani. We don't know exactly when, but I'm gonna take them to, they're all friends with Paige's friend from the United States. And we're gonna go stay at her house, and I'll try to give you an exact date and maybe do a meetup. I know I have quite a few viewers that live in that area, so I'll give you a date as soon as I get it. Hopefully not the last minute. The 12th of this month is Paige's birthday, so whatever we do, we gotta be back for that or leave after that. So her birthday is in the middle of the week, I think, of this month, on the 12th. So gonna have a party for that. Of course, a cake. And yeah, in the end of the month, we have a bunch of people coming from the United States. We're gonna do some traveling. I think we're going back to Gauteng, my favorite place in Thailand. So I'm not 100% sure yet where we're going or the exact date, but it's going to be fun. I'm going to bring you guys along too. I'll try to let you know way in advance exactly where we're going. But anyway, the ladies have already started cooking, preparing food for tonight's feast. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm so glad, so happy to be back home. I love to travel, especially outside of the country. I'm not a very good transient. I don't really like airports, and I really don't like crowded places, but Korea wasn't too bad. Everybody was pretty friendly. It was very crowded there, but it was okay. It wasn't too bad. People were still very courteous and friendly. And it wasn't really loud like Thailand. When Thailand is busy, man, it's loud. But anyway, I'm glad to be home. Thailand is the land of smiles, the land of least stress, the land of awesome food. And yeah, Sunday fun day. Well, I just got back from I only did 10 kilometers and I'm sweating. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. I am going tomorrow, about 90 kilometers tomorrow, and then 55 back, if I make it back. Looks like we're gonna have an awesome dinner tonight. Nui. 10 โล Nui.
ทำไมเหนื่อย10 โลเหนื่อยละ
ขี้เกียจ
โอ้ขี้เกียจจะเป็นครับก็คืออยู่ที่นี่
Wow, that looks good.
คือขัดอยู่
ไม่เผ็ด
แล้วเผ็ดเอาเผ็ดไหมเอาไม่เผ็ดเหรอเผ็ดเอาพอดีเนาะ
ชอบเผ็ด
ยังพอครับ
แล้วแต่ครับ Okay, word of the day. Word of the day. I already did sweat. Or did I do sweat? We'll do that next time. Word of the day is bicycle. Bicycle in Thai language is jakayan. Jakayan. Tomorrow I will ride my bicycle. Pungni japai ki jakayan. Tomorrow I will go ride my bicycle. Pungni japai ki jakayan. Jakayan. Well, everybody's happy we're back home. Me too. Awesome food. Got some more beef, some Thailand beef. So Soy Mafia won 7,000 baht on the lottery yesterday. So she gave everybody a lucky 100 baht. Chokdi, good luck, good luck, good luck. The sauce is awesome. This one. Okay. Changao. Changao.
Good sauce.
Guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have a lot of stuff coming up. I hope you come with us. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. 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 Bye.